This specific home organization method sparked global debate. It profoundly challenges everything you think about decluttering. Marie Kondo introduced her revolutionary KonMari method worldwide. Her best-selling book, The Life-Changing Magic, sold millions. She urged people to spark joy with their possessions. This simple, powerful phrase became a global phenomenon. Yet, it instantly stirred significant controversy across the globe. Today, we explore why this famous method divides opinions. KonMari's core principle always asks, does this spark joy? If not, you thank the item, then politely discard it. This applies to clothes, books, even sentimental photographs. Kondo's popular Netflix show further popularized her techniques. Viewers saw dramatic home transformations unfold before them. Many found newfound freedom through radical, thorough decluttering. The method promised lasting order and true happiness for all. It offered a structured, clear path to a clutter-free life. Critics quickly challenged Kondo's unique approach directly. Discarding large quantities of books caused particular uproar. Author Joanne Harris called this practice barbaric destruction. Others worried about environmental impact and unnecessary waste. Sentimental items posed a significant emotional hurdle for many. How do you spark joy with old family photographs? Some felt forced to part with cherished, irreplaceable memories. This felt disrespectful to personal history, many people argued. The method seemed overly prescriptive and rigid for some. Kondo's philosophy has deep Japanese Shinto origins. Animism, respect for objects, are central cultural concepts. Western audiences sometimes found these concepts confusing. Thanking your socks felt unusual, even a bit strange. Cultural norms surrounding possessions truly differ across societies. What sparks joy varies widely from person to person. For some, an item's utility is more important than joy. The universal application became a widely discussed hot topic. Is KonMari sustainable beyond the initial radical purge? Many reported their homes refilling with new clutter. The method doesn't fully address underlying consumption habits. Some found it difficult to constantly maintain perfect order. Real life often demands more flexible, adaptable systems. Families with children face many unique organizing challenges. The pressure to constantly maintain spark joy felt overwhelming. Long-term success required continuous mindful effort and adaptation. KonMari remains a powerful, often divisive organizational force. Its controversies highlight decluttering's inherent human complexities. Ultimately, find what organization truly sparks your joy. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of home organization.